McDonald's.
Woo! So how was that?
That was very fun. I don't think you liked
Look
it.
how much we got of that.
We got 1, 2. Whoa, that is so pimp. Look at the new penny. Can you see
I
that?
don't know, it's not.
I'm waiting for wait on the
No, it's still blurry.
Oh, it's so blurry. What about the dime?
You can see it when you pull them back.
Aw.
How y'all doing over there? Why? Why? What happened?
They didn't want to talk to me. I sneezed twice and none of them blessed me.
Try to go say hi. Say hi to the ladies for me. Or for you. Come on. They're waiting, baby.
Are you waiting for me?
You should go say hi.
I should go say hi. Hello! I say hi when we leave.
What if they leave?
Then I'll follow them.
Okay. When's our 50 piece coming up?
I don't know. This is taking forever.
Super doing back there.
I got
Offering
one.
like nuclear bombs or something. Ooh, look at that. That's a Happy Meal.
And she just put them. She put a toy in there.
Oh my goodness, we should have gotten a toy.
Oh my gosh.
No, even better, we should have gotten 2 toys.
We should have gotten a Happy Meal. I would love a Happy Meal.
We should have got 4 Happy Meals and like just been walking around like little children. That nigga looks weird. God, they're taking forever.
So scary. All you do is put it in the fryer for about a second.
How you doing? You look nice.
Go into business. I surely come back here. Squeeze my bunghole.
God, that took forever, didn't it?
Didn't they come with drinks?
No, it's only if you get the meal. How much was the meal?
It was not a meal. The meal was $17.
Oh wow.
How much did you have?
They're
We counted
14.
these out. If there's not 50, we're
Yeah,
complaining.
we have to count each one out. Put it on the table.
Oh, wait, divided by 50.
Just do the counting first, and we'll split it up later. There's gonna be like one, I think.
Make 4 piles.
2, 3, 48. No, that was 36.
That was
38.
40.
40,
It's 40.
42, 44, 46, 48, 50!
Oh my god, we actually got 50
Oh
that
my god,
time.
last time they only gave us 46.
Okay, now-
28. Stab you?
Hi.
She's pretty cute. She's pretty cute.
She's pretty cute.
Oh my god!
happened?
I like hit the wall with my knee. It was very, very like freaking tiny in there.
No. Yeah, he's leaving. Y'all down there?
Yeah. Hold on, I'm coming up.
Okay, come this way. I think Peyton. Who's that in the car? Oh, Peyton's behind you. Are you texting?
Who?
You?
Yeah. Where are you at?
Behind you.
Oh. Like what?
I got lost.
I got this.
Backwards time. Ah, crap, there's a drop.
My freaking knees hurt.
I know. Why are you going backwards?
Christ. I'm going to get in the car, Daddy.
Whoa. Ow! It shocks me. God, I could die in here, dude.
Seriously.
Looks like they fell. Just hang out up here. Where's the car?
It's right there. I want to get in it.
Go.
You have to drop to get in that thing.
Ugh. Look at all those frosty penguins.
I don't see penguins.
Exactly.
I don't get it.
Go into the car.
Oh, they got out. They're on the ground.
Yeah, I know. We can get out down here, I think.
Somebody's coming.
Oh God, the kids are coming in here. Oh shit. Go, go, go. Wait, I don't know where to go, dude. Just go. How you doing?
How you doing? You're looking good. Then nice, I like.
You just touched us. Alright, let's go down. God!
Wait. Why?
I tell you.